khawai na kinong yalam balai shim ya jingkit kli ban ubala shim ya kani ka senjam banrung sha ka senshar ka khadar hapo ka state Meghalaya ula kren ya kini ki kintin ban kini ki kintin ki bau kren menta kala urlong kata ide iba Ardent milar sayomot hakaba udai urangba ubada kit shisha ya kata ka lengkor ke bakia ubada kwa shisha ban wanra ya kata ka senshar ka khadar ka bakhui hapo ka state hi baro KIWEI na kata kadau habau ai jingkren shaki pai ba u kren ya kini ki kintin kumba uda tip bahkan saja bat menta kala urlong hapo Garo Hill ti shapi ki pai ki hajar jong kari khasi JAINTIA hato kani ka jingkren jong iba Ardent milar sayamoi ka dei tang ka jingkren ban penbik election ba unjob election ne ka dei ka jingkren ka ba ai mansim ka ba pensngutu ban ka ba penpet man ya upat khasi bayar khanang ba unsngutu na ka ri khasi jongi kala jan ngam ban kala jan taplut da kini ki khla lani da kini ki barjla sam ya kani ki kentin ke ba iba Ardent milar basamoy ila kren ha KIWEI na gijing yalang ha ka ba ila ong
Kahlailak kila de pet na Bangladesh India tang na Bangladesh ngidon kanulak kung kajat beri ngidon tang ba khaksan lak ay kay gaman jala de kita ki nong Bangladesh kita na Assam arpo arsan lak bat ban peloy ki nong India malah daw tong chief minister upin syong ki jaga kaput dang long bangini kran ya kajat beri ko jingi na kata kada ko ki pai ba ni don kam ban yo iginong lam ki pai i jngai ki ba kam i jngai ban ya ka bu pai ba ula ban i nilai i no pai ka jingma ngala kran ni ka CB na du kapor mangarang long MLA hapo assembly umdon we u MLA wasu to kay kita ka CB ngala na ik ILP ngala na ik article 371 rei kalong tang ka jing perta hapo assembly marway umdan bakasyan dei na mar kata kada ko ki pai ba ni sengi ka ni ka party halor kini ki nongrim ki bas kam bagi don kam ban pa yauni unong yalam jigi boleh paniatai hapo parliament bonai ni don kam Shwa ba pinwanra yakan wat pak pentrekam yakani kaan hasam bari gini jaga ki mabajan ni don kam shwa ban yo yakan kabanyada ko ki pai ba sotuna habalik keleng ban yo so ba ki pai ba kilarai ban kershan bakin kershan prabet kachabalik ki pai ba kyong barden nilarai ban kershan pra wat khusrai hangne ru kat ni pai ba udon lada ombaro ki bawan hadani ka jilang ki bala kershan lupa rengangit
Pat Shushuru kum utau representatives jong kanongkrem Constituency umdei ba ukren tang na kabanta ka jingyo nong mangi ki khasi ba JAINTIA henrei ula kren ru ya ka issue hakabay de bat ki parlok jongi ki basa hapo Garo Hill hakaba ila kren hapo assembly dang hakini ki khendet sungi khendet tayo baladep hakabay lapan pau hakabede ban ke caka kaputa kabala long try da ki tribals ladi da kini ki riulum ya kate ka Garo Hills hakaba hangte ki don arteli kita ki jingkhen jongki hakabede pat ka khandeu ban ke caka kaputa ban lapan sngoru halor ke jing jong ki parlo ki jong bat ka neru kala thik hakaba chief minister ula dino shkui pade ki briu de snap ki bubun hangte hapo Garo Hills ru ki la file FIR halor angka jing letomet halor ka jing le donbor jong ka sorkar ban ai ye ki jaka jong ki riulum shkiwi pade ki bomde riulum ane ru kan sanangji ana ka porsa ko
So, as far as Garo Hills is concerned, it has come to my knowledge that Garo Hills is no exception either. The situation is further exacerbated due to the adaptation of the ALRR 1886 by the JHEDC. This has resulted in the conflict between the customary practices and the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886, which was adopted and enforced by the GHADC in the plained areas of Garo Hills. So in the case of Garo Hills, land has been classified into two categories. Firstly, the hilly lands, and secondly, the plain lands. The hilly lands are controlled and managed by the customary beliefs and practices of the Garo community, whereas the plain lands are governed by the provision of the Assam Land Revenue Regulation Act of 1886, adopted by the Garo Hills District Council since its inception. So the hilly land is known also as the Aking land or the Kalan land.